Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today is Serving God from the Heart. At syempre, patuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating Bible Character Edition. So, ang concept po natin for today, Birth of the Nation of Israel. Sabi dito, the nation of Israel was born in Egypt, not in freedom, but in suffering and slavery. God allowed his people to grow into a great nation while they were oppressed, just as he promised to Abraham long before. Though Moses, God showed that Israel did not rescue itself, God alone acted with power to save them. This story teaches us that God is sovereign over history and salvation, choosing a people by grace and delivering them by his mighty hand. Israel birth as a nation points forward to God's greater work of saving sinners through Christ, not by human efforts, but God's mercy and purpose alone. At may kita natin ito sa Exodus chapter 1, ang sabi dito, then a new king to whom Joseph meant nothing came to power in Egypt. Look, he said to his people, the Israelites have become too far numerous for us. Come, we must deal shrewdly with them, or they will become or even more numerous, and it will break out. We'll join our enemies fight against us and leave the country. So they put slave masters over the oppressed them with forced labor, and they built Pithom and Rameses as a stores cities for Pharaoh. But the more they were oppressed, the more they multiplied the spread. So the Egyptians came to dread the Israelites and worked them ruthlessly. They made their lives bitter and harsh labor in brick and mortar and with all the kinds of work in fields. In all their harsh, they were in Egyptians worked them ruthlessly. At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic po natin for today. Magsisimula po tayo sa ating teaching. First teaching, Israel was born in Egypt and the land of slavery. So, yung mga Israelita po, ipinanganak sila sa lugar ng Ehipto at dun sa Ehipto na yun, ginawa silang mga alipin ng mga hari. Sa ating third teaching naman, Israel became a slave nation according to prophecy. So, sinabi na rin pala ng propesya or ng ating Panginoon na ang mga Israelita ay magiging alipin ng buong bansa or ng isang nation according sa sinabi ng prophecy. Sa ating third teaching naman, Israel is a picture of a nation under the slavery of sin. So, tayo or yung ibang tao na slave or sumusunod sa kasamaan, ay yung picture ng mga Israel na kung saan pinakikita ron na yung mga Israelita, even though masama na yung ginagawa nila, ay yung pa rin yung slavery nila or nagpapaslave pa rin sila doon. Sa ating application naman, first application, appreciate that God set us free. So, i-appreciate mo sa sarili mo na binigyan tayo ni God ng kalayaan, pinalaya niya tayo sa lahat ng kasalanan na mayroon tayo. Sa ating second application naman, serve God freely from the heart. So, kailangan pagsilbihan si God nang mula sa puso mo, hindi yung pagsisilbihan mo siya nang dahil sa will ito. But then, will to ng Panginoon or gusto to ng Panginoon, but then, dapat manggagaling ito sa puso mo. Sa ating third application naman, observe a day of a rest once a week. So, ikaw, sa pagtatrabaho mo, sa pag-aaral mo, kailangan mo ng pahinga sa loob ng isang linggo. Dahil ang Panginoon, nagpahinga siya sa ikapitong araw nang ginawa niya ang langit at lupa, ang mundo na ginagalawan natin, pati at ikaw. So, dadako tayo sa ating discussion. What is the impact of knowing that our journey began in pitiful slavery to sin and lead us joyful service to Christ? Para sa akin, napakagandang bagay nun. Lahat naranasan natin. Naging alipin tayo, naging makasalanan tayo, but then the end of the day, sinave tayo ng Panginoon at nagkaroon tayo ng joyful sa pagsamba sa Kanya. And sa dive deeper, how does Israel's slavery in Egypt speak about our slavery to sin? Para sa akin kasi, nakikita din talaga na ah, hindi nalalayo sa mga Israelita yung mga taong nagkakaroon ng kasalanan, hindi ba? Alipin sila ng kasalanan gaya ng ginawa ng hari ng Ehipto sa mga Israelita. Ginawa nilang alipin ang mga Israelita. So, ayun lamang po for our today's discussion. Thank you for watching.